John stood by the cross. He could not believe his eyes as his Lord hung before him crucified. So they placed his body in a garden tomb. John saw it all and knew that it was true. Then Mary came unto them and said, "They have removed him." But Jesus said, "Go tell that I'm alive. All is well, all is well. The Alpha and Omega holds the keys to death and hell, and that same power that raised Jesus up within my heart dwells, so I can say all is well. I stood at the grave of one I loved so dear, as memory upon memory streamed so clear. But they'd made preparation